Welcome back to Mind Games Challenge. 10 fun and quirky questions about Indonesia you never knew. Did you know these 10 fun and quirky facts about Indonesia? Let's find out. One. What is the capital city of Indonesia? Answer: Jakarta. It's the city where traffic jams are considered a national sport. Two. Indonesia consists of how many islands? Answer: over 17,000 islands. That's a lot of beach towels to pack for vacation. Good luck finding your way around. Three. What is the official language of Indonesia? Answer: Bahasa Indonesia. It's the perfect language to confuse tourists, especially with all those K sounds and P letters flying around. 4. What famous volcano in Indonesia erupted in 1883, causing one of the loudest noises in recorded history? Answer: Krakatoa. If that volcano were a rock band, they'd definitely have the loudest concerts on Earth. Five. Which Indonesian island is known as the Island of the Gods? Answer: Bali. Because even deities need a tropical vacation sometimes, right? 6. Indonesia is home to one of the largest rainforests in the world, which is found on which island? Answer: Borneo. It's where nature goes to party, and the monkeys are the real party animals. 7. What popular Indonesian dish is made of rice, often served with various toppings? Answer: Nasi goreng. It's like fried rice's fancy cousin who brings all the tasty toppings to the family reunion. Eight. What is the name of the traditional Indonesian puppet theatre? Answer: Wayang kulit. It's like watching a soap opera, only the puppets don't need lunch breaks. 9. Which Indonesian island is famous for its Komodo dragons? Answer: Komodo Island. Because naming it after something tiny like a hamster just wouldn't cut it. 10. 10. What is the currency used in Indonesia? Answer: Indonesian rupiah. It sounds like a dance move, but get ready to shuffle your cash instead. Feel free to use these questions to test your friends or for any trivia game night. And there you have it. We hope you discover something interesting today about 10 fun and quirky questions about Indonesia you never knew. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.